Good morning, dear students. Welcome to KLE's online classes. Let us continuation our discussion on unit number 4, Industrial Finance. In previous classes, we have been completing IFCI, IDBI, UTI, SFCIs and ICICI Bank. These institutions are providing financial assistance to industrial sector. And today we are moving to another one important financial institution to providing financial assistance to industrial sector is SIDBI. The Small Industries Development Bank of India is one of the very important financial providing institution to small scale industries, medium scale industries in India. And SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. It was set up 2nd April 1990 under the Act of Parliament. Under the Act of Parliament, April 2nd, 1990, the SIDBI was established in India. And it is a principal financial institution for the promotion, financing and development of medium, small, Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises in India. See, the prime principle of SIDBI is promotion of financing and development of medium and small scale industries in our country. And also SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, coordination with similar institutions. See, like similar institutions, so which are acting like a SIDBI bank, so those banks will be mutual to SIDBI bank also. And always SIDBI is coordination with similar institutions whatever existing in our country. And also SIDBI Act 1989, so envisaged SIDBI. See, the IDBI, it is also work under the responsibility of Industrial Development Bank of India, but these institutions will be taken independent decisions about development and promotion of industrial financing in India. And so medium small scale enterprises also contribute to GDP, employment, exports 3 crores units, so creating employment 7 crore and manufacturing 6,000 products. See, the Ministry of Small Scale Industries and Medium Scale Industries are contributing to our gross domestic product of country and creating employment opportunities among the youth, and exports 3 crores units creating and employment 7 crore and manufacturing 6,000, more than 6,000 products manufactured by small and medium scale industries in India, so which are taken more financial advantages from small industries development bank of India, and also contributing about 45% to manufacturing output, about 40% of exports directly and indirectly, and medium and small scale industries contributing 45% to manufacturing output in our country, and about 40% of exports directly and indirectly so contributed by so small scale industries and medium scale industries in India. And Small Industries Development Bank of India also assistance to service sector also. Not only manufacturing sector, SIDBI is financial assistance to even the financial sector in India. Then what are the objectives are covered by SIDBI? Like the first one is financing to industrial sector. The Small Industries Development Bank of India, the first prime objective is providing financing to small scale industries and medium industries in India. And second one is the promotion of small scale industries and medium scale industries. It means expansion of industries and elastic of industries, expansion of industries, and encouraging maximum output and encouraging sales maximization and profit maximization by the SIDBI. And also third one is development of small scale industries and medium scale industries. Development purposes, the SIDBI bank is providing financial assistance to industrial units. And next one is coordination with similar institutions. Whatever institutions are existing and providing similar financial assistance to industrial units, it will be coordination with them also. Then the advanced technology, the development outlook of Small Industries Development Bank of India, the development outlook, so those are major issues of small scale and medium industries. The first one is development outlook, the first one is advanced technology. The SIDBI bank is encouraging and assistant to adoption of advanced technology from developed nations. The assistance to purchasing advanced machineries and equipments from abroad nations. Then second one, development outlook is solving managerial problems. The managerial problems between owners, between officers, among the employers, among the officers, the managerial problems or bottlenecks also solved by Small Industries Development Bank of India. And third one, it means delayed payments. The SIDBI bank is responsibility taken the deferred payment also. It means trade between the nations, between the states, between the companies, between the supplementary companies and industries. The deferred payment and delayed payments responsibility also taken by SIDBI bank. And problems are small scale industries and medium scale industries are delaying payments. The problems of small and medium scale industries, the first one is the delaying payments by the purchasers. Purchasing manufacturing products from the company like small scale industries and medium scale industries, the delaying payment is also one of the major problem of small and medium scale industries. And the poor quality of the products. The poor quality compared to other nations products to our nations. Our products, the quality is less than the developed nations, quality of the products. Then the sickness of industries. Sickness of industries like small scale industries are suffering from labor problems, raw material problems, power problem, water problem, financial problems, like many more problems are faced by small scale industries. So therefore those industries are sickness in India. And lack of infrastructure facilities. See, lack of infrastructure mainly are transportation, power facilities, communication, road facilities, like finance facilities and marketing facilities, storage facilities. So those are problems faced by small and medium scale industries in India. Then lack of marketing network. See, most probably developing and underdeveloped nations are facing the problem of lack of marketing network, because of compared to developed nations are very favorable condition to marketing network than the developing and underdeveloped nations. And the benefits of SIDBI. What are the benefits taken by industrial units from Small Industries Development Bank of India? So those are, the first one is unique designed products. The SIDBI Bank is promoting and encouraging unique designed products of industrial units is first one, and second one is focused on fund to industrial and service sector. The SIDBI is always focusing providing financial assistance to industrial sector as well as service sector in India. And attractive rates on financial products. See, the attractive rates on financial products by the SIDBI. Then next one is the relationship with managers. SIDBI bank is always managing relationship with manager to smooth and sensitive development of industrial units. And then next one is presence in all major industrial clusters. See, whatever clusters are existing, industrial clusters are existing in India, the SIDBI bank is observing and presenting there. Then the easier access to collateral pre-finance. The SIDBI bank is encouraging access to collateral pre-finance to industrial sector development. And next one is risk and growth capital for business. See, the risk capital and growth capital for business also managed by SIDBI bank. Then the access equity, venture funding, and realize sales proceeds quickly, and easier access to government schemes. See, the whatever government of India introducing welfare programs for industrial development, the SIDBI will be easily access to government schemes to development of industrial sector. Then the assistance to much growing needs. See, always the SIDBI bank is assistance to much growing needs by the small scale and medium industries in India. So then it also taken additional work is, see, transport rate, then structure, no hidden surprises, also observed by Small Industries Development Bank of India. And also SIDBI is additional activities also done by Small Industries Development Bank of India, such as financial support to new projects. Financial support to new projects by the industrial units like hospitality and tourism, healthcare facilities, information technology and enable services, and business process organization and KPO, knowledge process organization, and other knowledge based activities, also providing financial assistance by SIDBI bank. And ads and promotion services, infrastructure relating and telecom services, transport services, logistics and supply chain management and warehousing. So warehousing facilities and cold storage facilities and retail outlets facilities and hotels below 5-star hotels and restaurants and franchisees and so franchisors and so rent a car operations services like see these sectors also eligibility to take financial assistance from SIDBI Bank. And also the SIDBI is financial supporting to new projects such as like these are all activities. So therefore the growth rate of SIDBI Bank, see the year by year and decade by decade, the SIDBI Bank is always promoting and assistance to financial assistance to small scale industries and medium scale industries in India, and it is also one of the major financial institution in India to provide financial assistance to industrial sector. Let me stop. We shall continuing our discussion with the Exim Bank in next class.